The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, right about now, I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that's out on social media that shows a female in tears talking about a person who she said is her children's father who had been killed. You see me? And she went on to explain about certain situations that I consider to be family feud and so on. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to tell you from right now that some of the things that you are about to hear in this video is sad. So viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
The news only playing real stupidness. They only playing real foolishness but not truth. They only put in lie. It wasn't for no land. My husband no fight for land. My husband is the only one working wasa here and taking care of his family. And the rest of them not working no way. Only jealousy. They killed my husband for jealousy. I make 5 children. I never was to beg nobody for nothing. He buy everything. Pampers, wipes, everything. Everything. They killed my husband because they didn't want him to be with me. Oh God. All the shitty life. Five children. The mother tell him that not his children. Let me tell you what's that the Bacalani is. The mother tell Alan, Astor say the children I make is not his own. And Alan and the father had a display. Everybody tell him they always interfere with the poor girl. I said I'm a dashing. I'm a cassava. I'm a juice. And everything. I don't beg. All they take my husband away from me. He leave me with 5 children and a baby. The baby is 7 months. My daughter is 7 months. My husband was a good father. As he come from work, he will go by the crib. And my daughter will jump up. He had left to see daughter walk. Let me show you this. The daughter turned 7 months. He buy she walker for she. He buy she walker. Look, she walker there. And the news when he put in a pastor lie and saying all kind of madness. The mother see him get shoot. The mother see him dead. The mother never come downstairs. The mother make the father kill my husband. He never come downstairs for she to get everything. But God don't sleep. God don't sleep. All the shady life. All the shady life. I tell them the truth. I can kiss the ground. The mother always say my black and ugly. I never disrespect she. She always say my black and ugly. Everything I work for hard and I buy it. There's always a jealousy thing. They killed my husband. They killed my husband because he was gonna get married to me. Shinika. Oh God. They killed my husband and they only lying. They kill him. They kill him because he said he wanted to marry to me. The mother want to get everything. Everything what his son have, the mother want to get it. Oh God, they shouldn't do me that. They shouldn't kill my husband. Oh God, they shouldn't kill him. They killed Alan in front of me and the children. And the father put a gun and say, you go kill me too, like if you want to. I watch my husband die. I run inside and I call the police. The mother who carried his son for 9 months in she belly and feel pain. She never come downstairs to see if he alive. All I said in life, I talking the truth. My husband dead. The breadwinner. They kill him. They kill him for jealousy thing, they kill him. The man didn't pick out no gun. The man didn't pick out no cutlass. They kill his father. The man went in the van for the cutlass to clean my dashing. We buy the dashing last night, 10 o'clock. I say, oh God, baby, I'm not feeling good. I'm feeling tired. Put out the dashing for me. Oh, let's share the life. Share the life. They killed the man to get everything what the man had. He was a wassa man. Oh God, let's share the life. I tell only God truth. They dig a big hole for my daughter to fall long in it. Oh, let's share the life. They killed my husband for spite. It wasn't because I know land. It was not because I know land. My husband never put a cutlass for his father. The man went in the van to get the cutlass, to peel the dashing, to clean out the dashing head. Look all here, look. Look my 2 big bag of dashing here. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Oh God. They vex over home making me churn and I selling dashing and people buying all the dashing. He mother envy everything. Oh God. Since Adam picked me up, Morgan never own him. I make 5 children for him. The mother says she can see. She can't wait to see all the children come up black and ugly like me. They never come up black and ugly. I make my last daughter the other day, this sister-in-law tell she daughter to go downstairs and see the child look like Alan. All of them just jealous. If I say, baby, I want to go price mart, or let's share the life. He go say, okay, baby, then we go price mart. $1,500 we go spend. I never have us to beg. I'm not working no way as a single parent now. My husband gone to work. I still sell him a dashing, I'm a cassava, I'm a pie, I'm a juice. To save up the money to get out from here because I know he mother never accept me. I make the 5 children, 5 girls. He wanted a boy. He said, let me try again. I told him, I said, no, Alan. I'm not trying again. They don't like me. I come and I try. I get pregnant a month back. I lose the baby with stress. Oh, they shed the life. Oh God. Everything that's happened for a reason because I would have been 2 months pregnant now. I would have been 2 months pregnant. This man always love his children. I never have to beg. My God, don't do that. My kid, Shinika. I did not have to beg nobody for nothing. They kill the best one. They kill the handsome one. They vex I get the nice one. They vex I get the hardworking one. I'm making this life because I want to be strong. And I want to tell the people and them, it's not about no land. They kill him because he wasn't done with me. They kill him for a water tank I buy yesterday. I sacrifice and buy a water tank. Because they only taking off the pump on my home. I can't even cook for my children. I can't even wash. They take up the water tank. I buy a tank. Nancy, you know, see my guy, please. I sacrifice and I buy a tank yesterday. And the father see I buy the tank and the father get angry. The father take the tank up and pelt it in the corner. Only I swear to God. I swear to God, the father take the tank over and pelt it by the orange tree. I swear to God, because he see a bad tank. He pelt the tank over. He pelt the tank over a bad tank yesterday. To prevent the bacchanal. All the shady life. Look the water tank outside there, I buy the tank. I saw my children life, I buy the water tank yesterday. They're jealous. They killed my husband. They killed my husband in front of my 3 big children. And they killed my husband in front of the 4 children. 3 big one and 2-year-old. I have a baby. Oh God. I have a baby. And when he killed them, when he killed my husband, the mother-in-law tell me to get out. What a shitty life. I tell only the truth. My husband find a phone yesterday, 8 o'clock last night. He find the phone. I say, husband, the person will come back for the phone. He say, yeah, baby, when the person come back, I will give him the phone. A bad phone. The phone cost about $3,000. He gave back the man the phone last night. The man gave me his number. If I call the man now, as an honest person, I don't lie. I don't party. I don't abandon my children. I always a good mother, and the mother never like that. The mother never like how I don't party and I don't drink. I always a hustler. People around here bring real things for me tonight because they know I'm always hustling. Oh, look, go kill my husband. Alan picked me up 16 years. 15 years he take me. I make 5 children for him. I lost a baby neck. I lost a baby. I lost a baby September month 10. Oh God. Oh God. I hurt it real bad inside. I tell her the truth. The man went for the contact to clean the dashing for me to sell. They plan to kill him. Because if they didn't want to kill him, he would have shot him on the foot. He shot him in the heart. And in the belly. And the last shot he get here. My husband crawled on the ground. He said, oh God, baby, they kill me. My father kill me. My father shoot me. I hold the hand. Oh God, I need justice. Oh, let's share the life, please. I never one day went to a party and leave my children. I make my 5 children. I never call my mother for help. I never leave them. Oh God. I never leave my children. As I come from the hospital, the mother never come and wash her bloody panty for me. All she come and do is Marco to see the children come out like their father. Huh? Oh, in the life you can't do that. I tell you, you have to relax yourself and leave the girl now. Nancy, I will pack away everything here for me. Let's keep everything on hand. Everybody will bring things. You taking charge. I don't want nothing. I want my husband back and I can't get him. Oh, look, go kill my husband in front of my 3 children. My children traumatized. Oh God. Oh God. And then the news when he line and born, they kill him for land. Alan don't fight for land. Alan. The boy built downstairs here. I said, baby, when I make the last life, I said, baby, I want to leave. He said he's not leaving because he built it downstairs here. He had free children. I said, well, I will leave. Hey, man, you're going to make my mother mash up and leave my girl. He cried. I can't leave my husband. I never leave. I never get married. The reason why I never get married to Alan is to make his mother feel happy. He asked me to marry. Said he picked me up in Moruga and tell him no. I don't want to marry. He said, Tiffy, I love you.
Viewers and subscribers, you see when it comes on to death in our family, sometimes you have persons who might say and do some things that they might not mean, you see me? And you know, whether this person is talking in grief or so on, you see me, I just, you know, I just look at the things that she's going through right now. You see me, I said to you, like, you know, I mean, the things that you talk about, really and truly, in my point of view, are some things that makes me uncomfortable, you see me? And you know, I'm talking about the violent part, you see me? Because I just presented a video to you that shows a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that her children's father had been killed, you see me? And according to some of the things that she had said, I get the understanding that this might have happened because of somewhat of a family feud. You see what I said to you? Yeah, that's the understanding that I get, viewers and subscribers. I am not sure, you see me? Yeah, because remember now, I'm only going by the things that she had said. You see what I said to you? So I might be right and I might be wrong, but I'm just going by the things that she had said, you see me? And some of the things that she had said, now, viewers and subscribers, some of the things that she had said, I would consider some of the things that she talked about to be a fatal family feud, you see me? I'm not going to say if the things that she has said, if it is true or not. No, I'm not going to say that. You see me? I say, because when it comes on to something like this where someone lost their life, I don't even want to talk about the blaming game and them things there. You see me? Because, you know, certain things you have to just leave in the hands of the law. You understand it? I mean, once it happened already, I mean, you have to just leave it in the hands of the law. The thing that I'm looking at right now is just that there are children without a father, you see me? So I just want to send condolences to the friends, the families, and the loved ones of the person who she said had been killed, you see me? Really and truly. When it comes down to violence, it's like me just uncomfortable. It's like I don't know how to really and truly cope with knowing that someone had been killed violently, certain ways and all these things. It's like, you know, I don't know. But I just hope she find the strength to overcome something like this that she just talked about. You understand? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media, and you know, I saw this video and I heard this person said some things, and I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think about some of the things that this person had said. So may I say to you, yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla.